Hey everybody, Jeff Berlin here. For beginner readers, I'm going to demonstrate out of my book, Bass Mastery. It's a book I released for beginner readers and new bass players. This reading is especially important to new bass players. I'm going to demonstrate Etude, which are whole notes, but I want you to notice the beauty of sequence of left and right hand, reading pitch, and notice there's a melody in the music. Here we go. I had to resolve. The beauty of this is that each note speaks. And quite honestly, over time, speed and technique come with familiarity. This book will get you familiar with written notes and how to articulate them on the bass. Really, quite honestly, in an academic setting for pay, this is the way everybody is guaranteed an equal shot at improvement as bass players. So you just add it to your day, not replacing anything else that you love. So I hope you enjoyed that demonstration. Get both hands working together and do it gently. Thank you.